So you remember the part 1? What about Perseus Dark eliminated and Dradsword? So they're gonna battle. 3, 2. Oh my god. Attempt number 3. 3, 2, 1. Go. Shot. Oh my god. Who's gonna win? Perseus Dark versus Dradsword. Decide in the comments and the video will answer. Oh no! I think he slowed down. Oh no, please, 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 please. I'm begging you. I'm begging you. I'm begging you. I'm begging you in my knees. No! The winner is Perseus Dark. What time to do? There we go. The luck chip. Perseus Dark. Why it's so black? A blade. Oh wow. Assist blade. Ratchet. And finally the bit. Why it's so blurry? I can't see anything. Now time for the real tournaments. Now Hell Incendio versus I forgot the name. Oh wait, it's oh wait, I remember now. It's Wizard Arc. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go shot! Oh my god. Who's gonna win? I think he's protecting his life from doom. And this one fighting the bug. So which one do you prefer? Hell Incendio or Wizard Arc? Please say in the comments, or else you are get. What did you say, you piece of? He's the number 1 of the Beyblade I have. So let's do it again. But there's a special round. For the special round, we're having Perseus Dark but white. Let's do it. 2, 1. Wait. 3, 2, 1. Go shot. Alright, this is Perseus Dark and Wizard Arc because he lost. Please. I want to show you. Oh, who's gonna eliminate it? Hurry up! He win! The part will be released on part 3 because it's running out of time. So bye bye.